and now you're holding it as a handheld cleaner. Cleaning robots are great until real life happens. They handle scheduled cleaning well, you set them up, let them run, and for everyday dust and debris that usually works fine, right? But a real mess is not scheduled. A bowl of cereal gets knocked over in the morning, coffee spills right before a meeting, mud gets tracked into the kitchen, and at that very moment, most robot cleaners are not actually helping you. Why? Because they are sitting on the dock waiting for the next run. So you end up doing what people still do every day. You grab a towel, get down there, and clean it yourself. And in real life, that is the gap most cleaning robots still have not solved. They handle routine cleaning, but they don't really handle immediate cleanup. And that is why a lot of people still end up with two separate devices, a robot for daily cleaning and a wet dry cleaner for sudden messes. But the good news is that the xLean TR1 is trying to close that gap. The idea here is simple, a floor washing robot that can switch into a handled cleaner in about 1 second, so you're not choosing between scheduled cleaning and immediate cleanup. You get both scheduled cleaning and immediate cleanup in one single system. And it also claims to handle the kind of mess the most robot cleaners avoid entirely. So in this video, we are looking at how that dual form system works, what is actually different about the cleaning, and whether it really solves that gap in real life. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive deep. The core idea behind the xLean TR1 is simple. Two forms, one machine. Now let's see how this actually works in real use. Here it's running in robot mode, moving through the space and cleaning like a normal robot would, going room to room, picking up dust and debris as part of the regular cleaning cycle. It's mapping and navigating in the background, but from the outside it just looks like a standard clean. Now this is where something changes. Fundamentally, there is a spill on the floor, liquid mixed with solids. Instead of waiting for the next run, you walk over to the station, lift the handle, and the robot rolls out. Take a look. The handle drops into place, locks in, and now you're holding it as a handheld cleaner. No setup, no switching devices. You move it directly over the mess and it starts cleaning immediately. It handles large spills, mixed wet dry messes, and stubborn stains in a single pass. And once you're done, you pull the handle out and the robot drives itself back into the station. So instead of switching between two separate tools, two separate devices, everything is happening inside the same system. Isn't it awesome? This is the part that gets more interesting. Around obstacles, it slows down and moves more carefully. In open areas, it moves faster, and on tougher spots, it spends more time working through the mess. It uses sensors to read the surface and detect how dirty it is. Lighter areas get covered quickly, and tougher spots get more attention. So the cleaning behavior is not constant. It is adapting in real time. And over time, it is designed to go a step further. The system learns from how it's used, especially in handheld mode. It learns the way you move around tight spaces, how you approach edges, how you handle different mess types. That behavior feeds back into how the vacuum cleans on its own. This is truly unique. So instead of repeating the same pattern every time, the vacuum gradually adjusts its path planning and obstacle handling based on actual use. Now, once the cleaning is done, everything goes back to the station. As soon as the machine docks, the system starts cleaning itself. Hot water runs through the rollers and internal pipes at around 167 degrees Fahrenheit, flushing out everything it picked up. Then the vacuum switches to hot air drying at around 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So instead of leaving moisture inside, everything gets dried properly. And that is what helps prevent odor and build up over time. Now let's push this further. This is a mixed mess, dry debris and liquid together. This is where most robots start to struggle. They usually handle dust well or light mopping, but not both at the same time. As it moves through this, you can see how everything is being picked up together. There is no pushing the liquid forward and no clumping or scattering. It's a clean, controlled pass. You can see how stable that pickup is, even as the mass changes. It's rated at 17,000 pascals of suction. To put that in perspective, that's the level of suction you usually only get from dedicated handheld cleaners, not robots. Underneath, it's using a dual roller design with both rollers actively scrubbing while the suction pulls everything in at the same time. And as they spin, they are being rinsed continuously with fresh water. So instead of spreading dirty water, it's constantly cleaning with a refreshed surface. Let's push it even further. This is a heavier mess, thick, uneven mixed textures, something that normally takes multiple passes to fully clean. As the machine goes over this, you can see the rollers working through the spill, breaking it down and pulling everything in at the same time. It's not just surface level cleaning, it's actively scrubbing while maintaining suction. And again, this is happening in a single pass. That's the key difference here. It's not just about the suction number, it's how the entire system works together to handle a real mixed mass without making things worse. The station also separates solids and liquids automatically. You can see that. Solid debris goes into one section while dirty water is collected separately, and the tank is transparent, so you can actually see what was picked up after each cleaning cycle. And if you want less maintenance, the station can also be connected directly to your home plumbing, so water refills and drainage happen automatically in the background. That's actually mind-blowing. It's all handled inside the station, so you only need to empty the dust bin occasionally. The gap between scheduled cleaning and real-life messes is where most people still end up doing the work themselves. And based on what we've seen here, that's really what xLean is trying to solve. The dual form design means you're not switching between devices anymore. It handles the routine cleaning on its own, and the moment something happens, you can step in and clean the mess immediately. And when it comes to actual performance, the vacuum is not just handling light messes, it is dealing with mixed spills, heavier textures, and doing it in a single pass without making things worse. Then, once everything is done, the xLean robot goes back, cleans itself, dries itself, and resets for the next run. So, instead of separate tools for different situations, everything is being handled inside one system. The xLean TR1 is now officially launched on Kickstarter. The retail price is $1,699, but you can get it for just $999 with a 41% discount during the super early bird period. So this is something I'll be keeping an eye on as it rolls out. And I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.